Hey guys, it's my last day in London and I'm ready to go home now. Beautiful day though, better than my experience yesterday. Yesterday I got rained on, guys. I found myself having to crouch under one of these rich people homes tree over here. What a mess. But I'm out for some last minute sightseeing and I'm taking you with me.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
By the way guys, this is Kensington. Really beautiful homes here. This is definitely where the rich people live in London. Anyway, I'm off to the tube. Going to take the tube from Kensington High Street to Monument Tube. This is Kensington High Street. A lot of expensive shops all the way down the street. And when I went to the museum yesterday, the Natural History Museum, I told you I walked. So I walked all the way from here, all the way down to South Kensington. Guys, it was a march. I'm not gonna do what I did yesterday. Yesterday, my feet, my body, everything was painful. I've done enough walking to last me for the rest of the year. Okay, let me get my card. I think I finally figured out again how to use the tube. Every time I come here, I have to relearn how this works. Hope I've got money on this card. That's another challenge. Perfect. That's where I am, High Street Kensington, and I need to get the yellow line to Monument. So to the right.
The next station is Khanyi.
Oh guys, I forgot to tell you where I'm going. I'm going to visit the Sky Garden. It's the highest public garden in London. It's free to enter, but you do have to book your ticket way in advance, at least 3 weeks. And you get to go in a certain time. You get a time booked for you to go in. And my time is for 12:15. And it's just about 11:30 now. I think this should be it here. I think it's up there. Guys, I'm in the queue to get in. So here I am. I still have to go all the way around that way. And then back around that way. And it's so windy out here. This is crazy. All of this for a garden. And now I am finally moving. This is it, Sky Garden. This is where you get a 360 panoramic view of the London skyline. Like I mentioned earlier, it's free to get in here. You just book your ticket online and basically come through. This is the worst thing about doing anything touristy in London, is that you have to queue for everything. My time, as I mentioned, was 12:15, but I only managed to eventually get in here at about 1:45. So it was about a 30-minute wait in the queue. But I'm here now. Let me get a view from upstairs.
They put you through the fence. I guess you've got to tell them.
It's a cozy place to sit. Another cozy little nook to sit. There's plenty of space here. I don't know why they have everyone queuing for so long outside. It's ridiculous. And all these empty seats. And they had us waiting outside for 30 minutes. Oh, it's about to stand on the bench and it says don't stand on the bench. So that building over there is called the Gherkin. It's one of the well-known landmarks here in London. I assume it's called the Gherkin because it's shaped like a gherkin. Alright, let me see what's around the other side. Oh, by the way, yes, there's a restaurant, I think a couple of restaurants up here that are pretty expensive as far as I understand, but you can book yourself a table, and of course you don't need to stand in line to go into the restaurants. Let me see this view. So this is very clever. They've got these labels on the windows so you can actually see what you're looking at when you get to each window, and you can look for the building. So this here is the Wembley Stadium. And from here you can see the BT Tower. It'll be tiny on camera, but it is over there in the background. St. Paul's Cathedral coming up. That one will be easy to see. Let me zoom in. And there it is. That building with the dome. Right, I'm now gonna step outside on the balcony and get a view from there. That's the Shard. It's the tallest building in London, in fact in all of England. Oh, it's drizzling now. I've been up on the Shard as well. You can actually pay to go up. There's a bar right at the top of the building. And again, another great 360 view of London from there, but that one you have to pay for. There's Tower Bridge. Bridge was actually London Bridge, because we used to sing that song at school, London Bridge is falling down, falling down. So when I saw it, and it's such an iconic bridge, I thought that, no, this must be the London Bridge we were singing about. But no, it's Tower Bridge. Oh, London weather. There's the sun. We go in, I'll come back again. Alright, time for some coffee. And this has got to be the slowest queue in history for coffee. Oh, finally my turn. Thank you. I need it. Hi, how are you? Thank you. I'd like to order a cappuccino, please. So do I go over to the other side to get it? Yeah. Okay, perfect. One step closer to coffee. For Khanyi. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Find somewhere nice to sit. Sit in the sun here. Oh, That's Sky Garden. Really beautiful place. It's just a relaxed walk around and just taking the views. So I'll be making my way to the airport soon. I'm gonna go back to Kensington, get my bags, my big bag, and then find my way to Heathrow. My flight is at 25 minutes past 9 this evening, so I've got to be at Heathrow by 6 p.m. Absolute latest. I don't want to miss my flight. And then I'll be in South Africa tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you back in Joburg.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.